Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram when your emojis are not showing up. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is make sure your app is updated. So let's go to Play Store, and once you're in Play Store, you're going to type Instagram in the search bar. If you're here already, it's either say open or update. If it says open, that means your app is fully up to date. If it says update, that means you are in need of an app update. So go ahead and update your app. Now, if that doesn't work, we're going to go ahead and play around with the location settings. So let's go to settings. And let's go to location. And you're just going to toggle on and off the precise location and then play around with this. And then make sure it ends on while using the app. This fixes a bug in the app, and a lot of people have reported that it worked for them. Now, if updating and playing around with the location services doesn't work for you, I'm going to suggest to report the problem to Instagram. So let's go to the app, and once you're on the app, go to the bottom right hand corner and choose your profile photo. Go to the upper right hand corner and choose the three lines. From here, you're going to choose settings, and then you're going to go all the way down to the bottom and choose help. Click on report a problem and then choose to report the problem. We'll just explain what happened and what's not working. So let's say emoji not showing up. Then you will just send report, and that's it. Hopefully Instagram gets back to you with this solution. I hope one of these things helped you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe and like.